Good morning, students. Today I am going to start poem A Night Rain in Summer from Reader. A Night Rain in Summer. Poet is James Leigh Hunt. James Leigh Hunt was born 1784 and died 1859. Was an English poet who produced a variety of poetry in the 19th century. He is known today for his delightful poetry of friendship, patriotism, and appreciation of nature. A Night Rain in Summer. The poem is about a summer's night when rain is falling. Open the window and let the air freshly blow upon face and hair, and fill the room as it fills the night with the breath of the rain's sweet might. In the first stanza, the poet seems to be addressing an absent person, which is an example of apostrophe, or perhaps he is addressing himself. The poet is talking about the atmosphere of outside. The outside air is refreshing. He wants it to fill the room as it fills the outside world with the breath of rain's sweet might. He tells himself to listen to the burden of the rain. This burden of the rain is meant to be ironic, because the rain is actually a cleansing, refreshing notion to him. The burden is just the rain is striking the ground and the walls of his room. The speaker notes either the abstract notion of love or maybe even the God. There is the presence of an abstract love or some spiritual being that persists in the air, and rain providing for peace and gentle sleep. The rain has a calming effect on him. Not a blink shall burn tonight in my chamber or sordid light. Not will I have, not a window pane twixt me and the air and the great good rain. Whichever shall sing me sharp lullabies, and God's own darkness shall close my eyes, and I shall sleep with all things blessed in the pure earth shadow of natural rest. In the second stanza, The poet says that he will not have any lights in his room. Here blink means lamp. The window will be, the darkness is natural and peaceful. So he doesn't want any lamp or any artificial light. The window will be open, not a window pane means the window will be open, so that he can fully embrace this cleansing, fresh air and rain. He invokes God with God's darkness. He wants God's own darkness. And this means the night itself. In this spiritual connection with God and nature, the speaker is very much a romantic. He will rest peacefully because of this spiritual connection. The last line, in the pure earth, shadow of natural rest. In the pure earth, shadow of natural rest. In either sense, the night rain, with its natural purity and spirituality, calming person, will bring him a peaceful sleep, or he means to death. After that, he will sleep in his spiritual, in his peaceful rest or sleep. Okay, students, thank you.